Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to group columns in Excel pivot table step by step. So let's begin. First, first select your data, go to insert tab, pivot table, okay, and use date for use column or use date for rows or and use cells drag for values. Use month, date, days, date, okay. Then click any date cells, right click on your mouse, group, use group, example use only month and year, click OK. And now we can see this group columns. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.